Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're just going to do a quick cook. Something delicious. It's going to be the fried corn, but we're making this fried spicy corn. And of course, I'm going to use green chili to spice it up. You can use jalapenos, serranos, whatever kind of peppers you like to spice yours up, but this is mine. We're going to do corn, bacon, a little bit of onion, green chili, fry it up on the Blackstone, and enjoy.
Okay,
So,
to go with our fried
go.
corn, I'm going to do up a couple of pork chops. We love doing pork chops on the Blackstone. Just throw a little oil down for each one. We're just doing two. They take about 20-21 minutes. Put a little oil on top, and you know, I'm going to rub this on, and then of course I am going to add my garlic pepper. I mean, what would pork chops be without that, right? But in my bag of corn, I went ahead and chopped up 4 pieces of bacon. I threw it in the bag. It's half a bag that we had previously. And then I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of onion. And now that I got my pork chops all ready, let's get the corn on here. Here's my bag of golden corn, sweet corn. Wait. What the heck is that? Sweet corn, right? Okay, I wasn't seeing things. Somebody used the sweet corn bag for the country harvest bag. The peas, carrots, and corn. I did throw my bacon in there. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and cook this. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. It's not all corn, but hey, this works too. Get that bacon cut up so it melts a little quicker. There's my bacon. There's a little onion in there. And we just want to mix these up. And I'll let these cook 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, something like that. It's on low. We just don't want to burn them. We'll just spread them out like that, and we'll let them go. And then after every now and then, just come out there and mix it. I'm going to add my green chili. I am going to only put about, I don't know, 3 tablespoons of green chili. This green chili is hot. So after it's cooked a little while, we want to just mix it up. This is so easy to do, and it is so delicious, especially with pork chops. You can have it with chicken, you can have it with steak, anything you want. Just makes a great side dish. And after, I don't know, 10-15 minutes maybe, there's my fried corn with the bacon. You see I got peas and carrots with my corn. Got little pieces of onion in there. Oh, this is delicious stuff. Usually it's just corn. There's my pork chops. Oh my goodness. So doing pork chops on the griddle, awesome way to cook them. Like I said, I do about 7 minutes a side. I turn them every 7 minutes. And then on the right towards the end of the last 7 minutes, I like stacking them if I only got a couple. And I put the fat on the griddle and just kind of get it fried up a little bit. Just like this. Man, look at that. Nice and golden. My alarm keeps going off. And then I set it down on the bone part, just to let it cook on the edges a little bit. Sometimes the little point gets a little bloody, that one on the back. So what I do with that one is I'll just take that and I'll just stick it on the griddle real quick. It gets rid of that blood real quick. Anyway, pork chops, they're delicious too. This is a fried, spicy, sweet corn video, so pork chops is kind of our side dish to that corn, right? Well, it was supposed to be corn. All right, so these are at 152, perfect. 145, 150, right in there. These chops are done. Taking them off. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna have our fried spicy corn with carrots and peas, and there you go. Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. All right, so I don't know what happened with that corn, but so it wasn't fried corn. It was frozen mixed, what do they call it? Country mix, peas, carrots, and corn. We had corn in it. We had peas in it. We had carrots in it. We had green chilies in it. We had a little bacon, a little onion, and it was delicious. I did not do a taste test for you. I apologize for that, but we took those pork chops and that fried corn and went and enjoyed it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I guess we'll see you on the next video.